if I gave you 100,000 naira today, would you know what business to start? Now flip that question. What if you had to start with 0 naira? No money, no laptop, no rich uncle, just your phone and your determination. In this video, I'm going to show you a real business you can start today with just your smartphone. It doesn't need capital. It doesn't need connections. It only needs you to take action. So if you're tired of waiting for perfect conditions, this is your moment. Let's build something with what you already have. Let's clear something up first. You think your biggest problem is lack of money, but it's not. The real problem is waiting. Waiting for capital, waiting for validation, waiting for a laptop, office, or a miracle. Listen to me. Money doesn't start businesses. People do. There are people making 50,000 naira a month with just their phones. Students, moms, NYSC core members. They started with what they had, while you're still waiting for what you don't. So before I show you the strategy, you have to make this mindset shift. You don't need money to start. You need clarity, service, and a smartphone. Let me introduce the business you're going to start. Digital product repackaging. What does that mean? It means helping coaches, content creators, speakers, and everyday people turn their free content into sellable digital products. They already have Facebook posts, voice notes, tweets, devotional tips, Instagram quotes, but they don't have time or skill to turn them into ebooks, journals, planners, caption packs, devotional guides. That's where you come in with your phone. You'll package it for them and charge them for it. Sounds simple? That's because it is. And I'll show you how to start right now. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1, find people with value. Look on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. Pastors, speakers, coaches, TikTokers. They have content but don't know how to package it. Step 2, offer to help. Send a message. Hi, I love your content. I help people like you turn your posts and voice notes into ebooks and digital products. Would you like to see a sample? Step 3, collect content. Ask for their best posts, quotes, or recordings. Step 4, organize it. Use Google Docs to structure the content into chapters. Step 5, design it. Use Canva on your phone. Use free templates to create a clean layout, a cover design, a downloadable PDF. Step 6, deliver it and charge. Send the final product via WhatsApp or Google Drive. Charge 5,000 naira to 20,000 naira depending on the size. Boom, business launched. No laptop, no capital, just smart service. Let me give you a real example. Sarah is a university student. All she had was an old Android phone and a desire to start something. She offered to help her church pastor turn his voice notes into a 30-day prayer guide. She used Canva to design it. She structured it in Google Docs. Her pastor loved it. He sold it to the church members. Sarah charged him 10,000 naira. The pastor made 50,000 naira in 1 week. And guess what? 2 other pastors hired Sarah after that. No capital, no laptop, no connections, just value and her phone. So now that you know what to do, let me show you how to stand out. Be professional, speak well, deliver fast, don't copy and paste, customize every product. Watch Canva tutorials on YouTube to improve design. Always ask for feedback and referrals. Keep your files organized. Treat it like a business, not a hustle. The more professional you are, the faster you grow. People will begin to say, that girl is serious, that guy is efficient, and referrals will start flooding in. Because people don't hire the best. They hire the most consistent. You've waited long enough. It's time to stop saying, when I have money, I'll start. Because the truth is, when you start, that's when you'll find the money. So here's your challenge. Pick someone right now. DM them. Offer to turn their content into a digital product. Use your phone. Use free tools. Use this video as your guide. Comment below and say, I'm starting today with what I have. And don't forget to subscribe because in my next video, I'm sharing 3 other businesses you can start with no capital. This is business and entrepreneurship with Afemine, where we don't wait. We build smart, we start small, and we grow strong.